If you have been following the news recently, you must have heard about MTN selling shares. In this video today, I want to show you guys how to buy MTN shares, getting started with it, what it means, and step-by-step guides on how to access it. MTN recently made this public notice on December 1st, and this offer is going to last till December 14th. As you can see, there's not much time, so I need you guys to take action as fast as possible. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to buy and own a share with MTN today. So this public notice offer is made on the 1st of December, and this is really going to be closing by December 14th. So I wish you guys can go ahead and make necessary every necessary action needed right now. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and to my returning subscribers, I say welcome back, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up so as to reach out to more people out there. So without further ado, guys, let's dive in the video. So just like I said earlier, MTN announced on the December 1st, which is Wednesday, about their public offer. As you can see right here, say MTN shares offer. The public offer to retail investor for the sales of up to 575 million shares held in MTN Nigeria by MTN Group, so to be priced at 169 naira per share. So as you can see right here, if you go down here, as you can see, they said the minimum subscription for 20 share and a lot of 20 share thereafter. The offer includes a necessary form of one free share for every 20 share. So that means if you buy 20 shares, you are going to be getting one free share. That means if a share costs 169 naira, so that means if you are buying 20 of it, you are getting one for free. So why is MTN selling their shares and all of that? So right here we have some FAQ here that you need to. So as you can see, I say who can apply. So this is basically allow for anybody. As you can see, they say who can buy MTN shares. That means applicants must be minimum of 20 shares and multiple of 20 shares after, and must have a valid BVN, which I know that you guys have. Applicants must have a CHN and cscs account. So if you don't have all of these, which is CHN and cscs, I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now as well. So another thing here is that how to apply. So this is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So let's dive in, as I'm going to be showing you how to get started with buying your own share with MTN right now. So there are one way you can buy MTN share. If you're on any platform or anybody is telling you to do all of this, asking you for money or something like that, that I'm going to be showing you how to do that simply with just some few steps right now. So there are number one way to buy MTN shares right now. So the number one way is to buy through primary offer. So as you can see right here, investing made better. So this primary offer is owned by Nigerian NGX, which is Nigerian Stock Exchange. So Nigeria Stock Exchange own this platform, and this is the only platform that as you can see right here, by NGS Exchange. So this is the only platform I'll prove to sell MTN shares. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do that right now. So now I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So what you need to do right now is to click here to buy shares now. So when you click shares to buy now, it's going to take you to another page which looks like exactly like this, and the same thing applicable on your mobile phone. So right now I don't have any accounts already, so I'm going to be showing you how to do everything right now. So what you need to do right now is to click on create an account. So so I'm going to just click on create an account right now. So I'm going to put my BVN right here. I'm going to put my BVN, so you can go ahead and put all of your own information. This is very important. You need to put your BVN. This is very important. So I'm going to do that right now. So you can simply go ahead and put your BVN. So I'm going to put then going to go ahead and put my necessary information. So kindly make sure that you provide necessary information. This has to be related to the information you have on your BVN. So kindly make sure that you put the right information here. So this is telling me BVN incorrect, so let me simply confirm this. So right now my details has been updated, and I'm going to go ahead and put my necessary information here. So you can simply go ahead and do all of this. After you put your BVN, some information are going to be saved already, so you just need to update the remaining information which you need to do. And we'll go ahead and put every necessary information you need to. So if you have a referral code, you can simply put that. If you don't, you can skip that. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put every necessary information. So the next thing is that, say I have this here that says user sign up security percent to your email address. So I just got an email address which I need to confirm from my email. So just need to open this and check the code sent to my email. Then with that I can go ahead and approve my account. So right now I need to just go ahead and sign in my account right now. So my account has been signed in. So immediately you sign in your account, you are going to be directed to your own dashboard. So the first thing you see right here is shares. As you can see, shares here, and you see right here MTN Nigeria offer at 169 naira. So what you need to do right now is to just click on this MTN of unit are you buying. So now let's say put the minimum, which is 20. So I'm going to put that. So that minimum cost you 3,380 naira. So that means when you buy the 20, you have 21. So and one share simply is 169 naira. So what you need to do right now is to click on tick this that I have read the terms and conditions, even if you are not going to, because I'm sure most Nigerians we don't read terms and conditions. So but I will advise you to read this sheriff prospect pricing and supplement. So kindly go ahead and do all of that. So when you're done, just click on continue, as this is going to take you to the page which you are going to be creating a cscs number. So this cscs number is what you are going to if you don't have this, so you can simply click no I don't, and if you have, you can simply click yes. So right now I don't, and I'm simply going to click on no I don't, so because I actually want them to create a new number for me. So simply click proceed right now. So now this is asking me, do you have a stockbroker? So right now I'm saying no I don't. So I'm simply going to put my information here, so for me to proceed. So they are going to create a cscs account number for me. So after that I can go ahead and make payment to my account to make the purchase of 3,300 to buy the shares from MTN. So the moment I make payment for that, I'm going to be given a share worth 21 share of MTN offer. So with that I can simply go ahead and have dashboard which I can use to monitor my shares and all of that. So after doing all of that, I'm going to get a notification from my mail telling me that my notification telling me that I have successfully buy 21 units of MTN shares. So this is simply how to buy MTN shares. So this is the only available platform for you to buy the share. Though there's some platform as well like Trove, like Trove that you can use if you have a Trove account. So it's a simple integration from there to buy MTN shares directly from there. So you can actually do that if you have a Trove account. So but majorly this is the number one way MTN approve. If you go to their website, it is recommended for you to use Trove to access the account. So just like you can see here, to use primary offer, just like you can see right here, this link takes you straight to this particular website which we create our own account. As you can see right here, primaryofferng.com. so this is simply the way you can go ahead and make purchase of your own unit from MTN shares. So we have some FAQ right here that you might want to go ahead and see. So as you can see right here, say you can apply. So these are the things that you can go ahead and read. So transaction structures and pricing and all of that. So you can simply go ahead and check all of this. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So there are some things you can actually see here, MTN specific FAQ and all of that. So there are different things you can actually go ahead and check from here, just like what is the MTN offer, how will the share be sold, how much is the share, which I explained is a share, it costs 169 naira per share. So and you can only buy the minimum of 20 units. So if you're buying minimum of 20 units, that means that is 3,380 naira. So this is it's more money you can keep. And what is the incentive? MTN is offering a promo in the form of one free share for every 20 share purchase and held for 12 months from when the shares are allotted to subscribers. So you can only put these shares for 12 months. So and this is a very short thing. You can, when you put your money in something for 12 years, there's going to be it's going to need some result for you. So after that 12 months, you can simply go ahead and cash out your shares from MTN and make money for yourself. So this is simply the way for you to make money with MTN shares. So guys, I hope you guys find this video very interesting and insightful for you. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and please give these videos a thumbs up so as to reach out to more people who might be more interested in watching this video. So guys, I'll be dropping more videos on how to make money on this channel, so kindly stay tuned guys. Hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you guys.